Hi, in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to export your SurveyMonkey questions to a Word document. First of all, log into your SurveyMonkey account and open the survey whose questions you want to export, like this. Click here, then go to Summary option. Once you are in Survey, navigate to the Summary tab at the top of the page. This where you can find all survey questions. Now click Analyze Result. Now click on the Export button on the right side of the page. From the drop-down menu, select all questions and SurveyMonkey will generate the file and a download link will appear. Click it to download the Word document with all survey questions, and that's it. You have successfully exported your SurveyMonkey questions to Word. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.